Okay, so my dear neighbor across the street gave me a washing machine. As you can see, it's a little old, but whatever. It's a gift. I should be blessed. I am blessed. However, upon embarking on spin cycle, I swear to God, the whole freaking house is shaking. I feel like I'm like waiting for liftoff. Like, this is bananas. Insane. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like, yeah. Exactly. It's freaking out. This is how bad it shakes. I'm gonna put the camera like on the little thing. And wash the machine with a life of its own. Wow. I think this came off of like freaking Sanford Sons or something. The ghetto part is all I have is the washer. So after I wash the stuff in this monstrosity, I get to be the crazy blonde that's going back and forth with wet clothes to the laundromat. Yeah. But you know what, all in all, like I really do think it's a blessing because I felt like I was playing a slot machine at the laundromat and never winning because this stupid thing was sucking the life out of me with all the quarters. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. And as soon as I make sure this thing is not going to freaking blow up, I am walking to Kmart to get some Oreos and try a new recipe for Oreo cupcakes. Yeah! Alright, well anyway, I just found humor in this. Wanted to share it with anybody that is goofy as me. And this is just crazy, like, literally like, this whole like part of this house is, I swear to God, it's shaking. Yeah. Alright. That's it. That's a wrap.